zip line, whoosh! Landing on a giant zucchini bush. Long and stripy, green and bright. Zucchini slides give me delight. Zip with zucchini side to side. Veggie fun on every ride. 3, 2, 1, blast off fast! Radishes zoom as rockets past. Red and round with leafy tops. They zoom, then wiggle, then do hops. Radish rockets zoom, zoom, zoom. Veggie racers in the room. Boom, boom, beat! The drums go beat! It's the dancing beetroot street. Deep and rosy, round and strong. Beetroots boogie all day long. Beetroot boogie, tap your feet. Dance along to the veggie beat. Stand up tall like soldiers green. Asparagus marches on the scene. Thin and pointy, crisp and bright. They march left, then march right. Asparagus tall and neat. Marching veggies can't be beat. Tap, tap, tap! What's that beat? Celery sticks drumming in the street. Crunchy rhythm, crisp and cool. Celery makes a veggie band rule. Crunchy sticks go tap, tap, tap. Veggie drummers clap, clap, clap. Over the hill, what do I see? A pumpkin rolling right at me. Round and huge with a happy grin. Pumpkin says, come join the spin. Pumpkin party round and bright. Spinning veggies day and night. Next I meet 2 friendly twins. A yam and a sweet potato with funny grins. Soft and cozy, warm and sweet. They give high fives and tap their feet. Sweet potato, yam so bright. Veggie twins full of delight. Spiky leaves, but don't you fear. The artichoke whispers, come right here. Open wide like a flower soft. Artichokes smile from low to high loft. Artichoke, leaf